Ace your grammar. Master prepositions and conjunctions. Hello learners. Today, we are going to tackle an integral part of English grammar, prepositions and conjunctions. These little words play a huge role in making our sentences meaningful and fluent. So, let's get started, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Prepositions are words used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They help to express the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word in the sentence. Examples include words like in, at, on, over, between, and many more. Now, let's practice recognizing prepositions in a sentence. The cat is on the table. She lives in New York. In each of these examples, the prepositions on and in show the relationship between the cat and the table, and she and New York respectively. Moving on, let's discuss conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clause, like and, but, if, etc. They help to form complex and compound sentences. Let's look at a few examples. I like coffee and tea. It's a sunny day, but it's not warm. In these examples, and, but, are conjunctions that are connecting different parts of the sentence. After understanding the basics, let's move on to some quizzes and tests to assess your knowledge and understanding. Quiz question 1. Identify the preposition in the following sentence. I will meet you at the library. Quiz question 2. Identify the conjunction in the following sentence. She loves painting, but she doesn't have time for it. Remember to pause the video and think before moving on to the answers. So, that's all about prepositions and conjunctions for today. Practice is the key to mastering these elements of English grammar. So, take time to revise what you've learned and practice using these words correctly. Keep practicing and keep improving. You're doing great. See you in our next session. Happy learning!